Hi, it's Ken Hadrick, Dean of the Pie Academy, and I wanted to make a quick little video for you about something I occasionally do with my pie dough trimmings and leftover filling. Even if I don't have any trimmings, these are so popular that I'll sometimes prepare a batch of dough and cut it into circles and use it just for these. I'm talking about mason jar lid pies. Everyone has some of these lids stashed away somewhere, and they make the perfect size for using up that little bit of filling you couldn't squeeze into your other pie. I like the wider 3.5-inch lids. The smaller ones are just too small. You don't need the other part of the lid because these are going to be baked right on the baking sheet, which acts as the bottom of our lid pan. And by the way, if you think this whole idea is crazy, don't, because fancy French pastry chefs, they use something called a flan ring for making sweet tarts and quiches, and our mason jar lid is really just a homegrown version of that. Roll the dough about 5.5 or 6 inches in diameter. That's bigger than you need, but you want that extra width so you can fold over the excess dough and build up the sides so they're higher than the rim of the lid. That way you can add more filling. Put the little shells on a baking sheet and put them in the fridge for about 15 minutes. Then add your leftover fruit filling, top it with any crumb topping, and bake for about 40 minutes at 375 degrees. If you want to add a top crust instead, you can do that, but I prefer the crumb topping because I always seem to have plenty of it stashed in the freezer. Anyway, I hope you'll give this a try next time you have a few pastry scraps sitting around. And if you like this video and you're not already a member, please go over to thepieacademy.com and sign up. That'd be great. Take care.